Hello friends and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In a word, fast words, fashion and affiliating with trends, the exact timeless arts and expressions, trends they are exist timeless arts and expression of culture, identity and craftsmanship. Welcome to the words we address. They are not just in the word of Imadra's more than just clothing, they are story woven in threads. A tradition passed down through the generation and celebration of elegance. The Madras dress is not just about fabric or style, it's humble, often and craft beauty with patience and love. This dress was inspired by ancient typical garment, not a fabric of a dress. Each piece tells its own story, from the piece of color of the patterns embroidered by hand carries intentions. Every thread speaks of traditions. The making of mimatis often with the versions silk, cotton, chiffon, car, and women's blends. The next skilled artisans like the highest embroidery, gold threads, colorful pattern, and varied textures. Magically from the sometimes day depending on the details. Some dresses are made for wedding, rich in silver and golden. Others are worn during cultural religious holiday or even modern fashion show, but each one carries something. But each one carries something unique, a piece of soul. What make me my dress so perfect for wedding, evening, event, sport, graduation, or even casual wear. They are my dress for every mood, every moment. Dress with purpose. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more stories.